Hello guys, it's Boy P here. Today marked the final funeral rite for Mzbel's father. Various celebrities were spotted at the grounds to support their sister. Asamoah was also spotted at the grounds to support his colleague. Among the few stars who made it to the funeral was gospel singer Piesie Esther, and you can see on your screen that she performed at the place and even called on Asamoah to assist her sing to grace the ceremony. Guys, enjoy watching and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. I'm out.